Hey, Master Coach, Spiritual Coach Ari Mal. I want to take a moment to say, hey, we need to slow it down a little bit. We need to get within. One of my specialties is being able to help you hear what's going on in your inner voice. See, our mental well-being is being challenged every single day. From TV to motion pictures, just walking in the grocery store. Everybody's trying to get your attention. But sometimes you got to slow down and figure out what it is that you want. Now, I'm a spiritual life coach. I've helped hundreds of people connect with their higher power and achieve their personal goals through a well-balanced mental process that they use every day. It's a combination of my advice as an astrologer, my spiritual insight, and my empathic energies. But when it all comes together, you got classes, you got one-on-ones, and we have a special program, astrology guided program, that's going to give you a chance to interact with me on a weekly basis. Now, I need you to look forward to my new podcast, which will be coming out probably later on this month, and look forward to the new affirmation astrology program that we're putting together for you guys. And in this program, the benefit is the more you interact with me, the more I can give you insight. And the more insight that you get, the better your life choices are. Yeah. You get to make better decisions because you now have the confidence and the spiritual awareness of what it is that you're sent here to do. So thank you for following me. Please like and share for more. Look forward, pray for me, and look forward with me in this new journey of positive spiritual energy for those who are ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Stay blessed.